What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Babita here. You guys, I'm up with yet again another haul video, which is Zara haul. Like as you can tell by the title. Well, you guys, I have picked up quite few pieces that I could not show you or share before on my previous online shop with me video. If you have watched that video, so sorry for not being able to show you guys the pieces before. And I liked quite few more pieces that I had to bag. So yeah, I can't seem to wait to show you guys the pieces and talk through. So hopefully you enjoy, like the pieces I have picked up, and subscribe my channel if you have not already. Turn on that notification bell icon to get notified on all of my new uploads, and comment down below. And with that being said, let's get into it now. Alright, so here we have our Zara box loaded with few of my favorite pieces that are wardrobe essential and autumn winter pieces mostly. So I can't wait to show you guys the pieces and talk through. So let me open the box and let's see what we have got first. Alright, so here we have our first piece. Oh, this beige dress, I so loved it. I love this beige dress. I mean this color, mainly this color and this square neckline, you see. I love this design and yeah, I loved it, so wanted to have one for me. And it has got real texture, which is cool for autumn winter, even in spring. The color is so pretty, will go even in spring. And I have got this in the size M, and yeah, I can't wait to wear and show you guys. So let me show you how it looks. So here I have it on. I quite love it. I wouldn't lie that I loved it a lot, but yes, somewhat loved it. Like I said, the color is so pretty and goes all seasons, from even in spring and summer. So definitely a good buy, and it feels so soft. Love the neckline, so pretty. Alright, so next up is, oh my gosh, this trench coat. I so loved it. I really wanted to get this trench coat for me, as I didn't have any long neutral color trench coat before. Well, I have one in the color black and one in the color peach, I think, yes, but I found this color even more pretty and neutral. To be honest with you guys, this color caught my eyes, and these big black buttons along with the long way, along with all the way down, I really loved it, and makes this coat look even more expensive. Well, this piece is an expensive and limited edition piece, and it feels so soft. I mean, oh my god, really? It feels so soft. I remember my black trench coat doesn't feel this soft. It feels so soft and looks really great quality and really way very long than I thought. So yeah, and I have got this for this piece, this coat in the size small, and oh, it's water repellent. I think water repellent, I think that could mean that it won't get wet that easily if it snows or showers slightly. Not sure if it does mean that, but I so loved it. I can't wait to show you guys. And yes, and I don't know what to say more. I love this piece, love the design, black big buttons and this belt fastening along the way, around waist and on wrist. So it's definitely a good buy and seems great quality. Let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. Oh, it feels so soft and cozy, and like I said, you guys, it looks so classy and such a wardrobe staple. This being a neutral color, I think it's kind of a sand or stone color, not sure, but they mentioned dark beige, which isn't true whatsoever. Like I was saying, that this being a neutral color, I can make a lot of wear out of it from autumn to spring. You guys, definitely it goes even in spring. I think I can make a lot of wear even in spring. Oh my god, so beautiful color. Love the softness of it. The buckles on the sleeves look so pretty. I love how this beige dress and the coat both go together and make the look even more expensive and worth the purchase. Wow, it looks so pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so next up is a basic sweatshirt. I think, yeah, it's a basic sweatshirt. I love this color, this dark brown color, which is so pretty for and looks so fall, I mean autumnal. It's really autumnal, really autumnal in particular, due to this dark brown color. I so loved it, and I love this round neckline, what to say more, and it feels really soft, and yeah, it feels so soft. I so loved it. Can't wait to wear and make a lot of out of this. And I have got this in the size small, and it feels really lightweight, which is great for me as we don't get that cold days during autumn. So definitely a good buy for me. And yeah, so let me show you guys how it looks. Alright, so here's how it looks. Like I said, it's so soft and feels lightweight, and love the length, kind of cropped, not like ending up here at the length below my waist. Love the color, so fall and wintry, so fall in particular. I so loved it. Alright, so next up, I have got these jogging trousers matching with my sweatshirt here. I love this matching set and these jogging trousers. I really love how these two pieces go together and how Zara showed these pieces together. Looks really great quality and feels so soft and so perfect for fall season, as it's so brown. I love this color, and I have got this pair in the size small, and oh, it's from their TRF collection. Really, I didn't know that. I think these two pieces, I mean this set, is really perfect during this COVID-19 time, because we are all doing home. Like as you can see, I'm wearing pajama set already. This set is from H&M, if I have bought my H&M haul. So this piece, I mean this purchase is definitely a great buy during this COVID time, and I can make a lot of wear out of it. So definitely a good buy. Let me show you guys. Okay, so here we are. Oh my gosh, I so loved them. Look so classy and feels great, comfortable set to live in at this time being. Like I said, this set being dark brown color looks so autumnal and wintry. Love the fitting and softness. Such a great buy and true to size. Let me know what you guys think. I so love them. The color is so rich, so autumnal, and looks really amazing together. Alright, so if you have made it here, thank you so much for watching, you guys. So these are the pieces that I wanted to share with you all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, like the pieces I have picked up, and yeah, so that is all. And please subscribe my channel if you have not already. Turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever new upload. Thumbs up the video, comment down below, and I speak to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.